Well, hey folks, it's Jeff Herrick coming to you from Green Industrial. We are located in Belgium, Wisconsin. Today we are featuring 3 JWI filter presses that will be being removed from the facility and loaded onto your trucks. These are all JWI presses. There are 3 different sizes. There's a 1500 millimeter, a 1200 millimeter, and a 1000 millimeter. I'll slowly go through each one of them as we walk through the plant here and I take some video of these machines. Currently we're looking at the 1500 millimeter press, and I'll let you know when it switches over to the 1200 here. Here it's just showing the hydraulic unit here for the 1500 millimeter. But folks, these are all located in the state of Nebraska, USA. This was a plant that manufactured fertilizer that completely got out of the dry side of the business and closed its doors completely for this type of business late 2014. So the machines were shut down and washed off, and we came in and purchased all of the usable equipment. And in early September of 2016, we will actually be removing these presses from the plant and hoping to load them onto your semi-trucks. So again, Green Industrial, we're located in Belgium, Wisconsin. This plant is in Nebraska. These machines will all be removed by our staff here at Green Industrial, rigged out and put onto your trucks. Or we would entertain the idea, if you're qualified, OSHA certified, and have insurance, potentially having you remove them on your own. That would require several other conversations, but the option is there. But anyways, so here we are looking at JWI presses. The first one again being a 1500 millimeter. You can see the hanging style plates here. This is the largest of the units. That was a 1500. Here I'm showing you a quick shot of the 1200 from the ground. So these are all obviously elevated onto raised mezzanine and will all have to be rigged down. So what I basically did is I just walked around the units, just took some general photos. Here's looking inside. I believe this is one of the inlet lines on the 1200 millimeter press. Again, they weren't internally cleaned. All of the cake material is gone and disposed of. Everything was washed off. They've been sitting now for about 1.5 years in the plant. And this is just all plant residual dust, which will again be washed before they're shipped. But what you're looking at now is just, I guess, their current condition, exactly how they sit. Green Industrial has no plans to refurbish, repaint, put new seals or anything on these. These are being sold as is from the plant. They were in running condition when the plant closed. Here's the nameplate for the 1200 press. These were new in 1994. I believe the 1500 was also right around 1994, maybe a bit newer. I'd have to look. But again, so here we're looking at the conveyor system below the unit. You could either purchase the conveyor system or not. The less work there is involved in rigging and removal would, obviously lower the cost. There's no reason to remove it if you're not going to use it. So if all you were interested in was the press itself, that is certainly how we would go about removing it. Everything is available, of course. Here's an underneath shot of I believe that's the 1500. But we could remove all of the auxiliary equipment below here. These are just basically the conveyor track systems that would run the cakes after they fell into a dumpster. Not mandatory to remove again, so if you don't need it, let us know. We are looking to sell all 3. There's a 1500, a 1000, I'm sorry, a 1500, a 1200, and a 1000. Ideally to one buyer, but if you're a facility that needs a filter press and are open to buying a used machine, we'd love to sell you just one. Just contact us at our office and we'll talk. Here's the 1000 millimeter. This is completely a project machine. This machine would need to be rebuilt from the ground up. It was not in use when the plant was shut down. This machine here, I believe they oversized, or it was undersized for their application. So when they added the 15 and the 1200, I believe they just didn't go back and run this machine. So this one will need to be rebuilt. There's some welding that need to be done on it. Obviously repainted and completely repurposed. So all 3 are available. Again, located in Nebraska. I'd love to sell them to you. You can contact our office and you could ask for Jeff Herrick directly. I'll put my information up on the screen here shortly, and I'd love to answer any questions you may have. 262-476-5045 is our office line. Or just check out our website at www.gibuys.com. Thanks for watching, folks.